everyone. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here, my name is Toya REY and I am a master cosmetologist here in Atlanta, Georgia. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and also make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. And as always, for all of my day ones, my goddesses that's been rocking with me for the longest time, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. I really do appreciate all of the support. Alright goddesses, so in this video, I am going to be doing something different. I will be giving some of my subscribers a shout out for leaving me a comment and talking back to me on my last couple of videos. And I will be doing that from here on out. So please make sure that you drop a comment, leave a question so I can shout you out in my next video. So here is our first shout out for this video. It is from Miss Sheila. And she says, Toya, keep doing what you are doing. You are a class act hairdresser. Thank you so much, Miss Sheila, for that beautiful comment. I really do appreciate it. Next up, we have Autumn says, I am so proud of you. Congratulations. Autumn, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Then we have Marilyn who says, good morning. I'm super excited to hear about your new hair line. I just signed up for your newsletter email list. I'm on the REY train. Miss Marilyn, thank you so much for joining my email list. If you haven't signed up, the link is in the description box below. Next is Miss Estella, and she says, congrats on your hair care line. Estella, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Up next, we have Miss VM who says, congratulations on the hair care. But you cut her hair 2 to 3 inches every 6 weeks. Her hair ain't gonna ever be long. Alright, so just to explain briefly from my video where it says she came a long way, that's the video she's referring to. That client comes in about every 4 to 5 months to get her hair cut. So if she came in within 6 to 8 weeks, we would drastically cut less hair. If you're getting your hair trimmed within 6 to 8 weeks, then your hairdresser should only be removing at less than an inch, not even an inch. It should be just a dusting. So if you come more often to get trims, you should not be losing inches. That either tells you that your hairdresser is very scissor happy, or you had a lot of damage and you decided to gradually cut and it's drastic, or you're simply just not doing what you need to do to take care of your hair within that minimum time. But within 6 to 8 weeks, it really should be a dusting and not losing inches. Hope that clears that up. And lastly, we have Miss Judy. She always talks to me. She always leaves a comment. She says, I'm so happy for you. Congrats. Will your products work well on relaxed hair? Yes, you can use my hair care line on natural hair and relaxed hair. You can use it on children's hair. You can use it on men's hair. So I hope that answers your question. And if others were thinking the same thing, hope that answers your question as well.
Wanna know how good he makes me feel? Oh girl, come take a seat. Think about how feel, I know it all so well. From the way that you smile and talk about him, I can tell. You got me so strong, just like that T-Pain song. Never thought I'd get here the way these men be doing wrong. Yes, I know it, trust me, I get it. Been there so many times, real men are so damn hard to find. That's how I know, that's how I know I found real love. That's how I know, that's how I know I found love. That's how I know I hit the jackpot. Girl, I know I found love, I feel it in my gut, yeah. Baby girl, your gut don't lie. You better trust that feeling. It don't lie. That's how I know. Yeah. That's how you know.
All right, goddesses, we are about to get into these microlink iTip extensions. So what they are individual strand by strand extensions linked to your hair using a microbead, which allows for your hair and the extension to blend as one. Microlink iTip extensions can add both length, volume, and give you maximum versatility. This method is perfect for thin and fine texture clients because you're able to add volume and length to your natural hair without experiencing any tension from braiding. A normal install will require between 100 to 75 to 200 strands depending on the density of your hair. iTips do require reinstallation of every 3 to 4 months depending on your hair growth and hair care. And it requires regular hair maintenance every 2 to 3 weeks. You can get it retightened within 6 to 8 weeks depending on your hair growth and hair care. After it's time to take your installation out, for my salon, I do require a resting period for 2 to 3 weeks before you can do another install. Always remember, ladies, too much of something is not good for your hair, okay? This service begins at $825 in my salon. You have some salons that charge $1,000 or more. Just depends on where you go. I will say that this is a very high maintenance hairstyle. This is not for those who don't want to do anything to their hair. They don't want to put a comb to it. They don't want to put a brush to it. They don't want to touch it. This is not the install for you. This install is very beautiful. It can help your hair grow. It's very natural looking. You do have the versatility of pulling it up in a ponytail, and you know, it really mimics your hair very, very well. And this is my most popular install in the salon. This service typically lasts about 6 to 7 hours, depends on, you know, your density of your hair. And from the beginning of the video, you can see my installs include a full service shampoo and condition, hydration treatment, a trim if necessary, and then we move into the install and styling, of course. The hair that you see that we're using in this video is from my hair company, the REY Effect. For all of my extension services, I apply all of the hair, even for sew-ins, quick weaves. The hair must be purchased through me because I know how the hair is going to color. I know how the hair is going to perform. And with this, the amount of money that you're spending on this service, you want premium hair extensions. I have had clients come in who have gotten this service done and they have used, you know, poor quality hair extensions and it just doesn't do right. So that's why I offer my hair extensions only, to guarantee, you know, a premium luxury outcome for you guys. So yeah, this is the iTip method. I also do the braidless sew-in method, and I also do the invisible weft method as well. For this extension service, I do require that you come in for a consultation before you can book this service. You do have to come in and have your hair examined, and at that time, if you would like to be texture matched, you can be texture matched. We will discuss, you know, the hair length, your desired look. If you're trying to get color, this is a great way to color to add color to your look without actually coloring your hair, because you can color the extensions only. It's very, very versatile. It's a lot of things that you can do with this. I would say though, if you are not going to go back and forth between a textured type of hair to match yours, and you're more wanting to wear it more so like a normal traditional sew-in type look, that your hair does require to be a little heat trained, so that you're not reverting back so quickly. I would say that you may want to be a little used to getting silk presses or applying heat to your hair in that instance. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, you guys already know what you can do. You can leave a comment, drop a question, and if you're one of my first 5 people, then I'll shout you out. And if you have a question and you're one of my first 5 people, I will answer your question on my next video for everyone. So yeah, make sure that you drop me a comment or question below. Let me know what you think of this method. Would you try it? Would you not try it? Let me know what you thought of the final look. And I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I'm gonna put some more music back on for you guys.
I don't know where to begin. Could be the curves on your body, but then could be your hair, maybe your skin. Yeah, baby girl, I'm tryna get with you. Come, let me see what we get into. It don't even gotta be physical, as long as that pretty face visible. Yeah.
7 p.m. It's a day. Oh, baby, you know I'll probably be late. It's a bad habit, no, you can't relate. I'm sorry, but just stop with me, babe. I promise it's gonna be worth your patience. When you see me in this dress looking scrumptious, take a sniff, honey, guess what my scent is. Did you re-reserve the table? Shit, let's get going. But when I get you
I'm waiting outside, we going for a ride, explore the unknown. Anticipating and thinking about when I'ma get you alone. Picking you even if you had a clone. Baby, I'm wavy, I'm sipping Patron. You feeling me, got your poker face on. Take you for a ride, we listen to music, I'm touching your thighs. I'm feeling your style, you different, you giving the kid butterflies. We made it in time, you better than bad, finer than wine.
Well, thank you, baby. You get what you see when you're patient. Even I'm tired of waiting. Come, let me see what you're working with. I'ma show you why I'm your favorite. Yeah. But when I get you all alone, when I get you, baby, you'll know where you're home, baby. Ain't a thing you'll find better than this. That's it, I'm in. When I get you all alone, when I get you, baby, you'll know where you're home. Ain't a thing you'll find better than this. That's it.
I like the smile, I like the way that you grin. When I'ma see you again, look so good, make a nigga wanna sin. I wanna hit it in back of the Benz. Nobody see us 'cause we got the tens. Let you go home, see you again. Try make you stay, I'm on the fence. Yeah.
Nobody has to know, baby, we both grown. I wanna show you what I mean by this is your home. So baby, when I get you all, when I get you all, baby, you'll know where you're home, baby. Yeah, ain't a thing you'll find better than a thing. That's it, it's not a thing. I mean, when I get you all, when I get you, baby, you'll know where you're home. Ain't a thing you'll find better than me. That's it, I'm in.
Believe me, I never got invited to any parties. I just sit out from the in crowd and stay within my boundaries. I'd hang with my friends and it was great. We'd go out but not that late. And I really love it, never wanna change. But sometimes I can't help but think, am I missing missing out on something I don't have. Cause I don't wanna give up being good to be bad. I just want some insight on the life of the average teenage dog. One who looks like on the outside that she just has it all. I know that it doesn't matter in the end, but sometimes I feel I'm on the outside looking in. I'm happy where I'm at, so I won't get too vocal. But sometimes I wonder what it's like to be a little bit more social. Not trying to complain, I'm just a little curious. Cause I see the picture, see the post. Reckless me, not even close. Cause why would I be something that I'm not? I should be happy with the friends I've got, but these thoughts still come to mind. And I can't help but wondering sometimes, am I missing out on something I don't have? Cause I don't wanna give up being good to be bad. But I bet if I was there I wouldn't care. I'd dance but I'd stay low. Kids all raising cups while I'm in the back staring at my phone. And I know that it doesn't matter in the end, but sometimes I feel I'm on the outside looking in. And I'm happy where I'm at, so I won't get too vocal. But sometimes I wonder what it's like to be a little bit more social. Thought of what could have been still gets under my skin. But is it worth all the stress, all this constant he said, she saidness? Pressure of society, I won't let